How do you get the content you created with the FrontFace Assistant out to your players? In addition to common publishing methods, such as all-in-one, via the local network, with a file server, via web server, or via USB stick, the FrontFace Cloud license also allows you to publish via FrontFace Cloud. The content is transferred directly over the internet to the FrontFace Cloud and then played out on your screens. All you need is internet access. If you are using the trial version of FrontFace, you have received a cloud key with the download of the installation package. In the FrontFace Assistant, select the publishing method FrontFace Cloud for your player and enter your cloud key. You can then publish your content to the cloud. To set it up on the player, simply select the FrontFace Cloud usage type after installation and enter your cloud key as well. That's all! From now on, when you publish your content, it will be automatically transferred to the player and displayed there.